Hi, in this video, I'll be showing you how to reset your Genie Garage door opener. So first of all, you will need to know that resetting your Genie Garage door opener will erase all the remotes and keypad settings that you have. So then after you reset, you'll have to reconnect everything after. So basically, the first thing that you'd like to do is look on the motor unit. It should normally be at the ceiling, and all you need to do is just find the button labeled program or learn. The color might be red, purple, or green. So once you find it, all you need to do, as an example, is click on it, press and hold the button for maybe 10 to 15 seconds. You'll have to wait until the LED lights turn off or it starts blinking, because every version might be different from the other one, so it might turn off or just start blinking. This should clear all the stored remotes. So after you release then the button, or after the lights changes, you should just release the button and the reset will be complete. But afterwards, you'll have to start reprogramming your remote keypads. So what you'll have to do is basically press the learn or program button once, not on your keyboard, on the Genie unit or the motor unit. Then afterwards, you will need to go to your remote and click on the program icon or button as well. So this is a summary. If you want to pause the video as an example and just keep it in front of you while you're doing it. And basically, a remote will look something like that. So as we said, to reconnect all the remotes that you have, you'll need to go to the ceiling units, the Genie ceiling units, click on program once, go to your remote, make sure you're near the unit, and click on the program button or learn button on your remote. So you'll have basically to repeat that on all of your remotes to keep them working. Of course, once you click on program on the remote, you'll have just to wait for confirmation. The light should blink or the door should move or something like that. So once you're done, you should be good to go. You can just go and try or test your system, try the wall button, test the keypad, and make sure everything works correctly. So if it didn't reset, as an example, correctly, probably you didn't hold the button long enough, or maybe if the remote is not pairing, you can just try again closer to the unit if you're still far away from it. And if there is no light, just check the power if it's correctly plugged in into the power. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.